This example is for the behavior developing self and others at grade 6 or 7. It has been created using the guidance and example statements from the guide you can download with the link in the description. That guide provides clear advice on how to write your own statements and includes full examples across all behaviors. Let's go through the full example now, and I'll explain why each part works as we go. I firmly believe that continuous development, both personally and within the team, is crucial for sustained success and innovation. This opening line is direct, relevant, and clearly aligned to the behavior. It sets out a belief, but it does so in the context of performance and results. That's important. It avoids personal motivations and keeps the focus on effectiveness. As a marketing director at a retail company, I recognize the rapidly changing landscape of digital marketing and the need for my team to stay ahead of trends. This is a strong setup. You get the role, the context, and the challenge all in one line. It shows that development was not just a personal priority, it was a practical necessity based on changes in the external environment. To address this, I made continuous learning a top priority for myself and my team. This is a good early action. It shows leadership and intent. It also brings in both sides of the behavior, personal development, and supporting others. First, I identified key areas where we needed to improve, such as social media analytics and content marketing strategies. And that's a really solid star structure. The situation has already been introduced, and now we get the action, starting with analysis. Identifying specific skill gaps is what makes the next steps credible. I then organized a series of workshops and invited industry experts to provide hands-on training sessions. This line works well because it gives detail. It's not just saying we ran training. It's clear about what type of training, who delivered it, and how it was made practical. That helps demonstrate leadership and thoughtfulness. I encourage my team members to take ownership of their development by setting personal learning goals. Now we see empowerment. Encouraging ownership is a strong grade 7 action because it's about enabling others to take control, not micromanaging. We introduced a quarterly review system where individuals could discuss their progress and future learning plans. This is good because it shows structure. One-off support is fine, but regular embedded systems show a more strategic approach to development. That's what panels are looking for at this level. To support this, I provided resources such as subscriptions to online learning platforms and access to industry conferences. Again, this is a clear demonstration of support. Providing access to tools and opportunities shows that the behavior is being lived out through action. The phrase, "to support this," also keeps the structure tight and logical. To foster a culture of knowledge sharing, I implemented regular team meetings where members could share insights and experiences from their learning activities. This sentence is important because it moves beyond individual learning and shows how the team as a whole was being developed. Building a culture of sharing is key to sustaining improvement. Additionally, I led by example, enrolling in advanced digital marketing courses and sharing my learnings with the team. This is role modeling in action. The guide explains that strong examples should show the behavior through what you did, not by saying you care about it. This line nails that. This demonstrated my commitment to personal development and inspired others to follow suit. It works because it links your actions to the impact on others. That's what really matters in develop self and others. The result was a more skilled and cohesive team, which led to a 30% increase in our online engagement metrics and a more innovative approach to our marketing campaigns. This is an excellent outcome. It quantifies the impact and ties it to real business performance. Always try to include metrics if you can. It gives the statement weight. This experience reinforced my belief in the importance of continuous learning and supporting others in their development journeys. This is a clean, simple closing line. It loops back to the opening belief and shows how the experience strengthened it. That gives a natural sense of completion. If you want the full set of guidance and example statements this has been built from, use the link in the description to download the guide. It will help you shape your own statements with confidence. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more job application help.